Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products to help you find the best picks for your hair. Today we're taking a closer look at the Marc Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask, which promises to protect and nourish your hair from the inside out. This 10.4-ounce mask is part of Marc Anthony's Grow Long collection, specifically designed for those looking to achieve longer, stronger hair by reducing breakage and improving overall hair health. The Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask is packed with ingredients like hydrolyzed keratin, caffeine, and ginseng, each playing a crucial role in enhancing hair elasticity and strength. Keratin is known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft and rebuild it from within, while caffeine stimulates the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Ginseng, on the other hand, is celebrated for its nourishing properties, helping to reinforce and smooth the cuticle for hair that feels soft and manageable. With this rich formula, the mask delivers a deep conditioning treatment that hydrates and revitalizes, making it ideal for all hair types, especially those prone to dryness and breakage. When it comes to application, it couldn't be easier. After shampooing, you simply apply a generous amount of the mask to wet hair and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. The mask has a thick consistency, yet it spreads easily and rinses out without leaving any greasy residue. I found it surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to incorporate into my hair routine even on busier days. Performance-wise, I put this mask to the test over a couple of weeks, and I noticed a significant reduction in hair breakage. My hair felt softer and less prone to frizz, which is a huge win, especially if you have hair that's on the drier side. Compared to other deep conditioning masks on the market, like the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, the Marc Anthony mask stands out for its affordability without sacrificing quality. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, it's budget-friendly, free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, and packed with effective, nourishing ingredients. However, one downside is that it doesn't promote hair growth, but rather focuses on length retention and breakage prevention. If you're specifically looking for a mask that helps with new hair growth, you might need to look elsewhere. One quick note before we dive further: if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It really helps our channel grow and brings more hair care tips your way. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy, and the mask itself feels luxurious. The scent is fresh and pleasant, but it doesn't linger too long, perfect if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. Customer reviews also mention that the mask is easy to use thanks to its smooth application and quick rinsing. I personally didn't have to contact Marc Anthony's customer support, but feedback suggests they're responsive and helpful. Now, who is this mask best suited for? I'd recommend it to anyone looking to maintain or grow longer hair, particularly those with damaged or fragile hair that needs a little extra TLC. For anyone on a budget, this is an excellent choice that won't break the bank. However, if you're looking for intensive repair, products like the Olaplex Nun3 Hair Perfector might be worth considering, though they come at a higher price point. In conclusion, the Marc Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask is a fantastic option for those focused on reducing breakage and improving the overall strength of their hair. It's a powerful, affordable addition to your hair care routine, especially if you're aiming to achieve longer, healthier-looking locks. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. You can find the link to grab this mask down in the description box. And if you have any questions or already used this product, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.